We are live. Before we get going though, there's a few things I actually need to do. And I've got some nuggets here. Yeah, welcome to the stream. Sorry, I'm eating McDonald's because I didn't finish eating, to be honest, and I didn't want to keep making people wait. Where's Chad? Welcome to the stream. I'm trying to get something sorted, but yeah, pre-market's been great. Scott, welcome to the stream. So annoying that that's not working, you know. Bit annoying. Could be a bit of an issue. Could be a bit of an issue for the stream. Apologise, I'm actually eating because I didn't finish. Samuel, do you have any crypto? Yeah, I do. Yeah, I got a crypto portfolio. I've shared on my website, but I haven't for a while. Don't know if this is going to work, you know. We'll see. Yeah, so the market's been crazy. As you can see, I've nearly finished. I don't think Trade212 are adding the ETNs to their site. Palantir, I can't give financial advice, but I mean, I personally wouldn't be buying at these prices, no. Scott, what's the ticker symbol? What's the ticker for that stock? Yeah, another takeaway. It's bad. I've had takeaways every day. Not good. Yeah, so I bought some SoFi at 26, 25. It's gone back to 28.82. And to be honest, if anyone saw the CPI data, we'll have a look at it. I mean, it's gone up. It's better than expected, though. It beat expectations. If you have a look, if I can find it. Wow, look, Southeast. Wait, let me bookmark that. That's really interesting. Southeast Asia digital economy expected to grow to 1 trillion by 2030. Good to know, especially as I'm in Grab. Tesla EPS would have been 62 cents if this wasn't the case. Tesla's going hard on investments as they should. The future is AI, robotics, and needs investments. Overall, as I keep reading Q3, the more bullish I get. In the third quarter of 2025, improve efficiency through... Yeah, they're really heavily investing in their AI chip design, aren't they, Tesla? Sorry, I'm getting distracted. Let me try and find it for you guys. Literally. So yeah, CPI month over month, 0.3% versus 0.4%. CPI year over year on year, 3% versus 3.1% estimates. Can't go wrong with a Mackey's. Yeah, how's Grab doing today then? That's what we like to see. Not too bad. AMD's having a great day after the Intel earnings. Did anyone see the Intel earnings? Incredible. Intel earnings, let me show you. How great are those earnings? Like the EPS beat is mental. Danny, I've got my price predictions in my Discord, in my Patreon. It'd be unfair if I shared it on here when people are paying for it. So, yeah, I've got it on there. Yeah, and the market's having a great day. Look at that. We're at all-time highs on my portfolio. This is all-time highs, people. Is everyone else's portfolio on all-time highs at the moment? Let me know. No, this is not my full-time job. I'd love it to be. I'm a videographer / editor, so that's my job. I just do this on like lunch breaks and things. Do you know what I mean? So, yeah. Instead of actually having a lunch break where you go for a walk or something, I'm streaming and eating while streaming, I guess you could say. What, the market's up 1%, is it? It's because I'm just in higher beta stocks. That's why. And I mean, AMD's going on a bit of a run right now. I wanted more shares of AMD. I was hoping it would go to 200, but I don't know. Don't know if that's happening. But Oscar's had a bit of a fall. It's recovered a bit, but yeah, it's had a bit of a rough week, we could say. SoFi is having a great day after that report. We're getting close to 200,000, guys. What is going on? Yes, Scott, nice one. I like Nibius a lot. To actually, I bet you it's. Oh no. Oh no, this is not good. This is not good. Okay. Okay. Alright, so the title of the stream, I'm looking for a stock to buy, and it's not for the ISA, it's for the Invest account. And I might on stream buy a stock on stream. I'm going to have a look, and yeah, we're going to have a look. And to be honest, Nibius was like kind of one I was eyeing up. I want this to be more of a fairly safer play than an actual riskier play, because I think I'm gonna put most like I'm gonna average in my like capital that I've got into it, whatever I pick, and Amazon and Meta is one of the they are kind of the ones. I'm guessing Meta's up. Yep. Brilliant. Brilliant. So the ones I wanted to buy are up. It's just a question, what? So it's P's 26. Meta's peg is 1.5. I think Amazon is less than one in that. No, it's not. Okay, it's not what I thought. Yeah, I don't know. Or both, maybe. What's a stock that everyone else is looking at? Send me your thoughts on what stocks you're looking at. Good point, Grim Gamer. That's interesting. So Liam, technically I'm starting over again as of today in my portfolio, because I'm going to be in the invest account. Let me I'm on full screen. Good. Yeah, hang on. My portfolio is nearly at 200 grand. Mad. So much stuff. I'm just making sure I'm not showing anything, because I'm transferring money at the moment and I don't want anything leaked. Yeah, inflation report was better than expected. AMD ripping from open. Yeah. I mean, that's probably why my portfolio is getting, well, it is all-time highs. It's just so green, super green. I don't know how crypto's doing. If anyone can let me know if crypto's doing well, because it was payday for me today from my job. So yeah, I'm just trying to sort this out. Sorry about this. I wasn't really prepared, because I wasn't going to stream, but it's like, you know what? It'd be good to chat to see what other people think about where I could maybe put my money, or we'll quickly go on here. £197,000. We'll see if that changes at all. So here's the portfolio. Here's the new portfolio. what we get if you're new to the stream today, we're going to do something different today. We are going to discuss and talk about what stock I should probably buy in. I've got £1,500 here in cash, and this is something I'm prepared. Obviously, I'm going to have to pay capital gains when I sell. I think you get £3,000 capital gains tax free, don't you? But anything more, you have to pay tax. But yeah, something I kind of want a safe-ish play. Something that seems undervalued. Obviously, a good price. It's just a case of this market's a bit mad, so that's why I'm also going to be doing it every month. I'm not going to just do a lump sum of money all in one go. I just don't think that's right. So this is kind of interesting for people that are like, what would you do if you started out again? So yeah, I guess it's quite interesting, and like it just, and this is what hopefully will help is the short term side of things. And also this money is potential money that could help me towards a house. It's not like I'm going all in. As such, and if, like, let's say the market does absolutely have a horrible year and it dumps and we're red and I'm down, it is what it is. I keep it in the stocks, and it means I don't move out. Let's say next year or in 2 years' time, I move out in 3 years' time or whatever. It just is what it is. And also, I'll be making sure I have other money set aside as well. But it's just a bit of I don't know if the right word is fun, but a bit of like just a thing for people to kind of, I don't know, have a look at what I would kind of, my thought process of what I would possibly do. But I am struggling with finding deals in the market. It probably would have been great doing this yesterday or the few days before, but you can't time the market, and I hope I can prove that. Just, yeah, I think the whole putting in every month, every few weeks or whatever, yeah. And I'll be keeping up to date with the shares that I buy and everything in the Patreon Discord, which you link in the description. It's £5 a month, and I've been keeping up to date with everyone with the buys I bought with SoFi and everything in the ISA. But yeah, so I'm trying to think of so straight off the bat, Meta is something I wanted at 500. When it was $500, I wanted to have it and buy, because I did some calculations a while back, and never got around to it and never did. But let's have a look at the estimates. So estimates for EPS is $34. I'm going to do this quite rough as well on stream, just quickly. Do they really think in 20... Sorry. If I miss comments in the chat, I'm sorry. This isn't exactly what I do. If it was a smaller company as well, I'd do a lot more. I do a lot of looking into, like I've done behind the closed doors of research and looking into like Meta and Amazon and what's going on as well. I just kind of want to look at some numbers as well. So estimates, analysts are saying but then you got to think as well, analysts are really downplaying SoFi on Tuesday, but a lot of the, you could say, YouTubers, Twitter guys who are quite either all in on SoFi or quite got a heavy position in SoFi, their estimates are a lot higher. Like, for example, I'll show you, I want to show you this. So just a little to show you what I mean. This is kind of what I do. I show everyone how many shares I've ended up buying, and then you can see that's in that Discord. Don't copy though. And then this is a different Discord, and I want to show you something that people shared in the SoFi. And this is what's really good about a community, is some people got some crazy amount of shares. How many likes have we got in the stream? We've got 5. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button. So I was saying, so expectations from analysts are 887 million, EPS 8 cents. And this is what a lot of some of the YouTubers and that are saying. And they normally get it quite on the money, quite right. If not, they sometimes beat even what these guys think. But see, we've got 900, a lot of people were saying 960. We've got 940 down there. We got 10.5 cents, 11 cents. All of them beating these expectations. So can it beat these expectations, and can it beat these expectations as well? That'll be interesting to see. But that's what I mean. You can't always take what analysts are saying, because, and also these could be wrong and analysts could be wrong. Like, it's just, it is what it is. So yeah, okay. So I just want to put some numbers in to see 260. Let's put that down just to make it so much more easier. Got close to 270. Someone's got a high of $41 for EPS. But let's say that. Yeah, Meta looks like a buy, doesn't it? Yeah, but Paul, don't take that Discord as a copy and paste copy what, because I could get it wrong easily, and we're in a bull market, so anyone can get a stock right. So it's just for people that want to see live updates and not wait for a portfolio video that I don't post. And to be fair, even in my portfolio videos, I don't show you exactly how many shares I've bought and the price and the price I bought in at. I don't bother doing that, so it's just for people that want to see that. There are links in the description, guys. It's Patreon or the WOP one. It depends on which one you're looking for. The WOP one is the community Discord, which is the community Discord is this. This is the WOP one. They're both £5 a month. And there's just so many people in the Discord. It's insane how many people we've got now. Incredible. And then the other one is my premium group, which is just showing you live updates and like my portfolio, some of the positions, and then we've got a little chat as well for people. But it's mainly for, and I do put sometimes some info in. I just put some notes down, like here 1 gigawatt could be 10 to 30 billion dollars revenue, which would double AMD's current revenue with the OpenAI deal. I was just putting some stuff down. So it's separate. It depends on which one you're thinking of going for. All right, Meta. What's the P ratio now? It's going down as well. Is this a call-in? Sorry, P. So they're trading at 25 PE at the moment, guys, which is the first share price, which is the low, which is 746, which is pretty much what it's trading at, $10 out. But if they trade at 25p like they are at the moment, and they do get an EPS in 2026 of $33, then they'll be trading at 848. I think it's going to be a buy. Okay, we're not going to go all in. We're not going to. We're going to do. I hate those fractional shares like that though. It really annoys me. 20. What am I doing? It's a bigger company than that, Ben. Oh, what? That's quite annoying. You know what? We'll do it. So that's the first time I've done that on live, actually. And if it dips more, I'll buy more. Like I'll be depositing money as it goes. So if I'm proper red, then here's what it is. I need to update the Discord now, quick. So hold up 1 minute. Just need to update. Sorry. Cool. So once I've bought a stock, like I have, it then goes in, like you've just seen on stream, on here. So it's just for people that want to see that. But because I bought, it will go down a lot. No, but yeah, we've bought 2 shares of Meta, so not bad. But this is quite exciting because it's a completely different portfolio here. Damn, the Kevin Hart. The thing is as well, I don't know if I'm going to do portfolio videos. Oh, you can do crypto and ETNs on Train212, just not the ISA, I don't think. I don't know. But yeah, I don't know if I'm going to do portfolio video updates on the invest account. I might just keep that as a separate thing, because this is where it gets a bit like, because this isn't like mentally like long term, like this. I mean, it is going to be long term, or like getting into something that I think's a good price, but yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do about that, but maybe we just keep it as a thing where we just have a look as well when it's live. Maybe we just check in on it and see. But oh, I think it's because I think Train 212 just didn't want us to because I'm got a partnership share thing. I don't think they wanted us to promote it. I don't know why. I don't know, but yeah, PayPal is a good shout. PayPal is a very good shout. Yes, that's actually quite a good shout. It's not getting a good premium. It's not getting a good. Yeah, it's not getting a good premium, is it? But I mean, $71 now, but the PE is quite low, isn't it? 14, yeah. Because the growth hasn't been as good as what people thought. Yeah, so the financials for Meta have been crazy. Total revenue, total change. So they're going in that growth again, like they're on the verge of like 20%. We've put their revenue growth of 15%, as you can see here. I mean, that seems like it's doable. Would everyone agree with that? 15% revenue growth if you look at their past history. If anyone, let me know if you do agree with 15%. So, yeah. Can we then go? Oh, come on, this stupid thing. Just trying to look at yeah, I will do I just did actually. I did do a as you can see here. I covered even in my, and I've just let people know it's in my invest account as well. So I'm just going because I might as well do that. Do. Literally, what the hell? What the hell we? Yeah, so this is another thing then. So net income growth 59, 39. Let's see, we've done 15. I think this is looking good. So if they can hit in 2026 $33 a share, see if if anyone has just bought like the Patreon and stuff, like I will make sure I get back and sort that all out after the stream. Um. Oh, come on. It's like if Meta does a great earnings call as well and gives a lot of guidance, that can boost up the stock. Am I worried about stocks going up a lot? I mean, yeah, it has gone up a lot, but this is the most important thing I would say with stock market is just make sure you're earning a lot more than your expenses. If you're making a lot more than your expenses, and I mean quite a lot more, then the stock market shouldn't be that scary of a place if you know obviously what you're doing and where stocks could potentially be going if they hit those revenue numbers and the EPS, and there's obviously a lot of factors that can bring you to those numbers. Because then obviously like this projections calculator that I've got, it's very handy because then I can see visually the numbers and input them, and then it spits out a number, share price, if they depending on where they're trading at. Obviously it'll be rough, it won't be exactly because you have got dilution to count for in shares, or the opposite. They could be buying shares, so it would help out on the flip side. But this visually gives me an idea of $733 a share for Meta could be good, because if they hit these numbers that I'm saying they're going to hit, there could be a potential that this is $1,100 in 2028. And if they go down, and everything financially, the earnings calls are going well, which I'll be listening into, then that's good for me. I mean, yes, it might not be getting people buying it at the moment, but it will soon reflect, and the stock market will soon reflect how they're performing. So, yeah, I just make sure not my income is just a lot more than my expenses as much as I can. To then put away every month and buy more Meta shares, for example. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I should. I'm gonna leave it.